Have you ever tried to copy multiple things from a single web page but different lines, say of text? For example, you're copying one sentence, then going back to your document, pasting it, whether it could be an image, text, whatever. Then you know it can be a massive hassle to do it back and forth again for a relatively simple task. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy multiple things at a time, then paste them in any order that you like. And surprisingly enough, this feature is actually built into Windows 10 and Windows 11, so you don't need to download or install any things. Just make sure you're up to date. Alright, so let me show you how to copy multiple things and paste it multiple times. Alright guys, so I'm running Windows 11 on my Asus TUF Gaming laptop. You can check the version here, Windows 11 build 22613. And it is applicable for Windows 10 builds as well, as long as it's up to date. Now let me show you an example. Let's say I go to a news article. Alright, this is just a random example. So I'm here on The Verge. This is my document, this is what I want. Now normally you would go, hey, I want this line, need that, maybe I want that. Control C, and then Control V. This is how you would do it traditionally, right? But check this out. All you have to do is press Windows V on your keyboard. So that's the Windows button and V, which you would normally press for pasting, Control V, and you'll get this option, Clipboard. We want clipboard history to turn on. And there's one other thing with this. So you can see our current clipboard is automatically appearing here. All right. Leave it at that right for now. Then we go type clipboard settings, and then if you have multiple systems or multiple computers that are running Windows 10 or 11, you can copy and paste between them if you turn this option on. I don't have multiple PCs at the moment, so I'm going to leave it off, but if you do, you can do that as well. Now let me show you the Windows V in action. So let's copy a new sentence. I'll copy this one first. I need this sentence. Control C. This one. Control C. Maybe I need this one, last one. Control C. If I come here and press, instead of Control V, I would press Windows V, and there you go. So it is in a descending order. This is the final one I copied, and AMD has been working on Linux drivers, so I would want to start here. So 1, press Windows V again, 2, 3, and it's all here. You can check it out. Also, if you regularly paste something, if you're using your work computer for emails and stuff like that, you can go Windows V, and you can pin some of the items that you want regularly available, so you don't have to type them out ever. For example, this sentence here, I can pin it. It'll appear on top, like so. I can also remove. I can clear all. The pinned one will stay. That's how you copy and paste multiple things, or you can copy and paste from between different computers that are running Windows. So that is an amazing feature. Although when you're running two Windows systems, they need to be logged into the same Microsoft account. By the way, you can also copy images. So this is still on the clipboard. If you go here, images do work, but the application that is receiving it must also support images. So Notepad wouldn't work, but if we go to WordPad maybe, and then go Windows V, bang, you can see you can copy images, multiple images. Let's copy that. Copy image. If we go Windows V, you can see we can choose between all the images. And there you have it, guys. Now you have saved a lot of time from going back and forth between documents. And smash that like button if this video helped you or you learned something new. Consider subscribing and dinging that notification bell if you want to watch more content that is time saving. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.